Lucy was becoming a safety risk at the facility, and the director of the senior apartment living approached the daughter and said, I think we need to put Lucy into a memory care unit across the street, but I have one idea. What do you think about cannabis? And the daughter said, I'll do anything I can to help my mom stay in her apartment and age here and not go into a memory care unit. And why do you think they come to me? I always say, why now? Why are you coming to cannabis now? I want something more natural. My medications aren't working. I'm tired of the side effects. And I'm a big fan of doing one cannabinoid at a time. You know, we know that cannabis has so much to offer. So I make them wait 3 to 5 days before they even increase their dose. Even if it's not working, I want to make sure that we're going that low and that slow.
And I said, I think there's a need out there to help people navigate through cannabis as a medicine. And he said, you're going to be a drug pusher? And I said, isn't that what we do here? And he said, touche. But we do need to market to this community because they vote and they are our best advocates. And if you want to build an army right now, get the seniors on your side. Get them off their pharmaceuticals. They will write to their legislators. They'll be active in their community, and they will help us move this forward.